Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and today we are making delicious banana bread bites. Now this recipe is made with fair trade dark chocolate and bananas, plus it's enough to make 16 servings. So let's get baking. And firstly, take yourself a large mixing bowl and add 80 grams of butter that's been cubed and brought up to room temperature. Also pour in 150 grams of caster sugar, then using either a food mixer or food processor, cream the sugar and butter together until combined and light in colour. And once you've creamed the sugar and butter together, take a sieve and sieve in 200 grams of plain flour, then half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Also, crack into the mixing bowl 2 large eggs. Now pour in 60 millilitres of semi-skimmed milk and again combine these ingredients together until nice and smooth. And next we'll prepare our banana and dark chocolate filling. So take another bowl and 3 really ripe bananas. Peel the bananas and add them to the bowl, then using either a fork or a potato masher, mash the bananas until they're all nice and smooth. And next for our chocolate filling, take 50 grams from a bar of dark chocolate, then using a sharp knife, carefully cut the chocolate into small pieces. Then add your chocolate and the mashed banana into the mixing bowl along with the cake mixture. Now give everything one final brief mix together until combined, then take yourself a loaf tin to bake your banana bread bites in. Either line your loaf tin with some greaseproof or parchment paper, or grease the sides and the bottom of your loaf tin, then pour your banana bread mixture in. And now your banana bread is ready to bake. So in an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, bake your banana bread for between 45 minutes and 1 hour. And once your banana bread has risen, it's lovely and golden on top and it's cooked through, you can remove it from the oven. Carefully remove your banana bread from the loaf tin, then leave on a cooling rack to cool completely. And once cooled, then take some icing sugar and mix it with some water to make a drizzle, then carefully drizzle the icing all over the top of your banana bread. Leave to cool one final time, preferably in the fridge, then your banana bread is ready to slice. So, using a sharp knife, carefully slice your banana bread into 16 bite-sized pieces, and then these really tasty banana bread bites are ready to enjoy straight away.